Hi, my name is Kat Collette. I'm a Kansas City-based hairstylist, and I specialize in fashion colors and fantasy colors. Today I'm going to be doing a spooky ends look inspired for our spooky season, and we're going to be playing around with CHROMA ID and Vibrance from Schwarzkopf. All right, so I'm going to just go ahead and make sure that your hair is detangled back here, and I'm going to gently remove all this cotton that we added in there. Check our saturation, make sure everything is nice and coated and even before we go through and rinse you. All right, darling, now that you're all processed, we're gonna go rinse you up. We're gonna shampoo to prep your hair for the fashion colors, and we'll be right back. Now that you're freshly washed, freshly lightened, we are going to create a pastel tone right through this veil over cascading the bright colors in your hair, and we're gonna make it bright and then spooky on the ends. Are you excited?
I'm so excited.
Let's do it. So on Johnny's hair today, we're gonna be doing a melt of CHROMA ID, and I'm gonna be utilizing the yellow, the orange, and the red. Now I'm going to apply the yellow, starting all over your entire root, and then we're going to melt into the orange and then into the red on the ends. So for the veil that's gonna mask over all of the bright colors, I'm gonna be using Vibrance 9598 mixed with 1 part of color to 2 parts of clear. And I'm gonna mix that equal parts to our 6 volume developer. So now that we have the pink processing up top, the underneath is actually ready to rinse. So we're gonna go ahead and rinse that, let this sit for just a couple more minutes, and then we'll take you back and add some spooky ends.
Ooh, I'm excited.
Now we're gonna create our spooky ends, and we're gonna do that using Agora Royal. So we're gonna go in with a permanent color now. I'm using 488 to help blend the red. And I'm gonna mix that with equal parts to 10 volume. Now our next color is extra spooky because you don't wanna get this anywhere else on the hair because it is a permanent black. It is 1-0. And same as my 488, this is gonna be equal parts with my 10 volume developer. Now that we have all the color on your ends, we need to hold really still. I'm gonna watch it obsessively. I'm not moving for the next 10 minutes until we're ready to rinse. I'm gonna make sure it's all blending out as it starts to oxidize. So don't move.
Okay, I'll hold my breath.
Perfect, I will with you. Okay, are you ready to see the after?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, count it down. Ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my gosh, Kat. This looks insane.
Do you love it?
I love it. Look at the spooky
Super spooky.
the yellow. Oh, I love it so much, Kat.
Thank you. You look amazing.
Kat, I love the way this turned out. If one of my friends wants to go to their stylist and recreate this, what would they say?
Great question. So to recreate it, what we did was basically the entire underneath after we did your root touch up with the Vario is we used CHROMA ID and we melted from yellow to orange to red. And then we did a little tiny veil right at the top, and that's key. It has to be small so the yellow pops through of the vibrance, and that was the 9598 with a little bit of clear. Have the stylist message me. And then on the very ends, we did our spooky ends with the 4-88 melted into the 1-0 to create the extra spooky dark ends.
And then I really want to keep it looking as bright as possible, so how do I maintain this?
Great question. The best way to maintain it is going to be washing minimal times, obviously keeping the scalp health #1, but wash in cold water and use professional products. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Kat Collette. You can find me on Instagram at Kat Colors and on TikTok at The Kat Colors. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this video. And thank you and have a beautiful day.